So I finished off the firewall. I was gonna start painting it, but then I went inside the interior and decided to tackle that hole in the passenger side back seat. And it was worse than I thought it would. So I decided to tackle that next before I start the paint. And now I got the floor cut out, the sills all cut out. I ordered some new panels, so I'm waiting for those to come in. And now I think I'm gonna redo part of this cage. I'm gonna cut this X part out and just do one solid bar going across, but following the contour of the seat, so it's kind of not in the way. It is a pain in the ass to get in and out of this car. So while I have it in this state, I'm just gonna change a couple things and go from there. Alright, next I'm gonna try and clean all this up. Same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna do the one side for now. I don't want to cut everything up now and have it like twist and turn on me and everything. That's why I put the front subframe back on too. When I was cutting the floor, I knew it was gonna rack up, especially this mounting point here. Every time I get these rockers, they always have this square hole here. I'm not really sure what it's for. I think it's more or less for water to drain out, possibly. But I just see it as a way for water to get into the car. And on my other car, I just kind of patch them up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it on the inside. got the rocker about 80% welded on. I only have a little bit left on the floor, but I'm just waiting for the floor pins to come in, and then I'll finish it off. Yeah, I lied. I said I was gonna wait to do this side, but I'm too impatient, so I'm just gonna start it anyways and just see what happens. Like just that part's the routed part. I'm still gonna cut the whole thing out though, and the floor.